It's like 8 o'clock and we're gonna get breakfast because we're going on the road at 9. But we're going again? Aqua World, so a bunch of like water stuff.
Parasailing, water things.
Yeah. So when we reach, you will see that, but first we're gonna get some breakfast because we're fucking starving right now. Yeah, we're ready now. Why that delete don't fail? Why that check so? She give me tea, she moves in my road. She got the keys to my Porsche Alvaro. In Miami, living la vida loca. Yeah, you got the tea, okay, the green button is start. The push gas, the red button is start. Okay? Yep. Yeah, you got the tea, you got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. The best one so far. But the crash. I lost my glasses though. My glasses fly off and I couldn't find it.
Where you have 3 activities: cenote, tequila, comida. Okay, so everybody that would
Which one is the combination? Where is la combinación? So when the Spaniard people, they arrived and took the control of the Mayan, they imposed the Catholic religion. Ellos llegaron e impusieron your home, mi casa es tu casa, my land is your land, mi tierra es tu tierra. And he say also, you and me, we are the best creation of God, living under the same sun. Skin color, negativo, no problem. You work, I work. Trabajas, yo trabajo. Yes, conexión. That's why we never shake the hand in this way. Por eso, how we make the connection, ¿cómo hacemos la conexión? In this way. You feel more strong, more safe. Lo sientes más fuerte, más conexión. Quality, cualidad. Okay? Please, give a big applause to Mr. Pedro. Follow me.
So with life vest, life jacket,
Exhibit A.
exhibit A, exhibit B. But now going to this, the water too cold, the water freezing cold. Professor Tequila again.
I do it.
The English one muy poquito, pero no problem. Tequila mucho.
Ah, okay.
Tequila's good.
Biggest fan, no. Baby, you can take me where you come from. Baby, I can show you what I'm. Baby, I can pass it on the kid. Really, I ain't got no time for big love. Big love, big love.
So I've been getting a few messages since I came back home. First off, let me just express that you don't need a visa to travel to Mexico. However, you don't have direct flights from Jamaica going into Cancun. So for me personally, I have a visa, so I was able to travel to Miami and then from Miami to Cancun. But if you don't, most or if not all of the South American countries don't require a visa from Jamaicans. So what you can do is that you can actually travel to a South American country and then from there to Cancun. The best option would probably be Panama. So you have direct flights from Jamaica to Panama and then direct flights from Panama to Cancun. So that's probably one of the best options you can use, but I would recommend you use a travel agency to do it, especially if this is like your first time. So we did use a travel agency, so everything was kind of smooth and already pre-packaged for us. Shout out to Rush Escape. She was the one who really planned everything and did everything for us. Shout out to her and her team. Cost, think about it, it is a resort town, so most of the things are going to be in US dollars, right? So if you're from Jamaica and you've been to Oceres, you know the different costs for locals and different costs if you're a foreigner. I think my favorite part of the whole trip is actually the people. Like, everybody was very welcoming, everybody was nice to you, and it wasn't like fake nice. You can genuinely feel like everybody was into you, and especially when they find out that you're Jamaican, right? Once they pick up on the accent or they ask you where you're from and you say, oh, I'm from Jamaica, they're like, oh, my Jamaican cousin, we're the Caribbean cousins, or you know, they invite you in, they sit down and talk, drink tequila with them, because that's a big part of them culture. This is just a quick Q&A about the trip. If you need more questions, you can send them to me directly in my DM at Briscoe, or you can drop a comment under my videos and I'll get back to you with the question. Yeah, so I guess that's it for now. Let's jump into the video. So as I mentioned, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed and leave a like.